Hey guys, Nathan back with another video. Finally, I know it's been a while. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. It's my goodbye to 2017 video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. When there's no way to catch a fall, hey guys, back with another video. Like I said, it's my goodbye to 2017 video. It's finally over. And a lot of people didn't like it, a lot of people did. I'm the guy in the middle. So yeah, I'm in that gray area. That's where I work usually because I'm never one or the other. That probably made no sense, but I don't care. So that's my video. Hey, so 2017, let's start in January. January is where it all begins. You know, what happened in January? Oh, right. I was 148 pounds in January, which is quite unhealthy for my size. Well, not quite unhealthy, but it's not good either. So that's the first time in my life where I've been like scared to be very skinny. Because the summer before that, I lost like 30 pounds. I have a video on that in the description, or maybe I'll annotate it somewhere here. I don't know. Anyways, okay, continue on. Let's start in the school year. My 2017 to 2018 school year, the first semester. That semester was a wild ride. I met a lot of new people. My hair is a disaster. Oh, speaking of disaster, I'm in the musical for my school, and I also got my braces on, so that's also something. Yeah, I'm all over the place right now, I really am. Sorry, I can never focus, you know that. If you guys know me, then you know I can't focus. I'm always talking really fast, really slow. I have no clue what I'm saying. What am I saying? Where was I again? Anyways, school year, I made a lot of friends as a freshman. As a sophomore with the freshmen, due to the fact that I already knew them, and I was already acquainted with them and knew of them before they knew of me. Well, they did know of me. I'm all over the place. None of this makes any sense. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I made a lot of new friends this year. Cut off some friends. Not really though, because I cut them back up. Cut on? I cut on some friends? Is that the opposite of cut off? None of this makes sense. But I'm gonna just fast forward to where I really want to talk about in this part of the video. This is how I've changed over the year of 2017. I would be screaming and like yelling for no apparent reason, and I still do that now, a little quieter, I guess. I guess I've improved in that aspect. But I don't know, I was like happier. 2016, I was like a happier me. I don't know what happened. I started like, anyways, before I get all depressing, like I usually do all of a sudden, because that's just how I am. I get randomly depressing. I'm gonna fast forward. Talk about what I want to do in 2018 with this channel. So with this channel, I aspire to, make it big. Hopefully reach like 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Probably not possible. I'm at like 134 or 35 right now. And yeah, so I want to show you guys how I take photos, what I look for in photos, how I choose the photos that I want to post on my Instagram, even though I only have 4 posts. And yeah. Because of that, then I want it to be this song that I wrote. I kind of have a title. I don't know if that's a title. Right now it's Over You. It's about, well, I'll tell you guys about that in that video. So if you guys are excited for that, or want that to happen, make sure you let me know. Yeah, I want to, 3 words that I want to achieve, or like what I want to be me in the year of 2018. So happy, actually no, not just that I want to be me, just 3 words in general, because that like gives me boundaries and I hate boundaries. Happy, closure, as in I want closure and I want to be happy. I don't know why I'm holding 3, that's only 2 things. I can't think of the last one. Here's a way for me to interact with you guys. Give me the 3rd word, and like something that you think I could work on, because I know you guys know me better than I know myself, because I don't know myself very well. You guys know how I act like day-to-day basis, because I don't really pay attention to that. I'm too busy like daydreaming or like getting depressed. Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Finally decided to post. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.